I'm in the kitchen and I'm ready to cook. So today I'm making egg rolls or kind of a version of Kathi rolls, and I'm going to show you 3 amazing fillings to go with this. Here I have got 200 grams of plain flour if you can get hold of it. Otherwise you can mix half and half of whole wheat or a bit of self-raising. Yes, but plain flour is the best, and I'm going to slowly add some water to this. So I used around 120 ml of water, but you might need less or more, and I'm just going to knead it for a few seconds, maybe a minute in total, until it's smooth. Right, that is looking pretty good. It's smooth, it's lovely, and I'm just going to get a few drops of oil, then rub it in the dough. Leave it to rest because you really need to let the dough rest for 15 minutes to half an hour. Cover, and I'll get back to this. The dough is lovely, it's rested, and it's so lovely. It is soft and it's just amazing. So I'm going to make 4 wraps out of this. So I'm just going to cut it into 4 portions and just roll one at a time. I've heated up the biggest pan I have at home, the frying pan, and I'm just going to roll this out really nice and thin. So I've got an egg here. I'm going to put a pinch of salt, a pinch of chili powder, and whisk this. And look, our wrap is looking lovely. Wrap is looking beautiful. I've cooked on both sides for a few seconds. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this egg on one side. Try and spread it as much as you can, and then going to turn it over and just put some oil on the sides so that the eggs get cooked. And just going to flip this over, cook the other side, and I'm going to plate this up. To begin with, I'm just going to thinly slice 3 to 4 onions. So starting with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil here, and I'm going to add all these chopped onions to this and cook until golden. The onions are looking gorgeously golden. You don't want them to be much more colored than this. I'm going to take it off the heat and it goes on our plate. We'll use it to assemble the wraps. First one is onion and spicy pepper egg roll. Some fried peppers and onions. So I've just got 1 red pepper. I'm going to thinly slice it and just stir fry it with some chili sauce in some hot oil. I'm going to use the same pan as the onions. I haven't washed it. I've added a tablespoon of oil and just going to cook the peppers in it. Just stir fry them. So the peppers are looking soft and nicely stir fried. Add just a teaspoon of chili garlic sauce You can use any brand that is of your liking. Just mix it up, a good pinch of salt, and then this is ready for the filling. One of the fillings is paneer. So it's a kind of spicy tandoori masala paneer, and for that I'm going to take just a little less than 100 grams of paneer, and I'm using ready-made paneer. I'm just cutting it in big long strips, and I'm making enough for one wrap, so you can make accordingly. So in this paneer goes in a tablespoon of natural yogurt, also goes in a quarter teaspoon of salt, and also half a teaspoon of tandoori masala. And then I'm just going to mix it up. If you don't have tandoori masala, you can use a bit of garam masala and some chili powder, a little bit of amchur powder if you have. And then once it's coated, I am going to fry these. I've got a hot pan here and a little bit of oil, say 1 tablespoon, and I'm just going to cook these paneer slices on high heat. And these paneer slices are done and ready for the wrap. Now the third egg wraps is a chicken filling, and I've got one chicken thigh for one wrap, and I'm going to cut these in thin strips and then make it super delicious for the filling. Right, there goes our chicken. I'm going to add some spices to this. So a good pinch of salt goes in, and a good pinch of chili powder. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of harissa. You can add tandoori masala if you have. You can add garam masala if you want. You can add a normal chili sauce. So basically whatever you have in the cupboard, just to add lovely flavor. Mix it, and then I'm going to fry this. Just some hot oil. I'm going to put the strips and just cook it on high heat till it's done, around 3 to 4 minutes. All these gorgeous smells are making me so hungry. So here I have got 3 wraps ready, and I'm going to going to roll these, fill them and roll them. So I'm just taking some 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, and to this I'm going to add a couple of spices. You can add some peri-peri salt if you have. It's a really good one. I love it, and I have it all the time. Or if you don't have that, you could add some chaat masala. If you don't have that, you can add some amchur or kind of any sweet sour spice mix to the yogurt, just to kind of lift it up. Mix it, and it is ready for our wraps. So the first one, I'm going to make a lovely onion and pepper wrap. The first thing is the coriander and mint chutney. It's a really easy chutney. The recipe is on the channel. I will leave a link in the description box. You just put a little bit of chutney and you get lots and lots of gorgeous onions. Then some lovely peppers. Some more onions. And finish it with more chutney. And the second one is this lovely chicken wrap. So I've got the chutney, again lots of onions, and our gorgeous chicken. And the third one is the tandoori paneer wraps. So chutney goes in, gorgeous onions, and then our lovely paneer. Some more onions, and then some yogurt. So I'm gonna finish it with some more chutney. And here they are. I am so pleased with these. I absolutely love Kathi rolls, whether you call it Kathi rolls, egg rolls, Frankie, because when I used to live in Mumbai, there was a specific place I would go specially for their paneer Kathi rolls. Frankie, actually they call it in Mumbai, and I'm so excited. So here is the gorgeous tandoori masala paneer. This one is harissa chicken yogurt, and the third one is spicy pepper and onions. I'm gonna dig in. They are a bit tricky to eat. There is no nice way to eat them, and so please do excuse me while I tuck in. They're good. The chutney and onions are the key part of these egg rolls. You really cannot make them without the chutney and the onions. I'm so excited about all three, but most excited about the chicken one. Oh my God. That's mind blowing. That is awesome. Absolutely. Really guys, please try this. Whatever you try, let me know which one would you go for out of the three in the comments below. I would love to know that. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and I'll see you again very soon with another brand new recipe.